loud and hope feels small, your voice still calls above it all. We hear your word, it lights the way, and faith begins to rise today. Increase our faith, oh Lord, we pray. Let every doubt just fade away. We fix our eyes on you alone, our solid rock, our cornerstone. Increase our faith, let mountains move. We stand on every word that's true. We will believe, we will proclaim, there is power in your name. Your promises will never fail, your truth will always prevail. Through every trial, you make a way. You're growing faith in us each day. Faith arise, faith arise. By your word we come alive. Increase our faith, oh Lord, we cry. Lift our hearts and lift our eyes. We will walk and not by sight. You are with us in the fight. You are faithful, ever near. Her big love that casts out fear. We believe we won't be shaken by your grace. Our faith awaken, declaring glory to your name, proclaiming honor, praise and fame. It only takes a little seed planted deep inside of me. Though it's small, I will believe.